This is a short video, probably about 10 minutes long. Not even that. Just basically trying to help you if you're going through family court. Hang on a second. Oopsie. If you're going through family court, you need to begin to shape your thoughts in terms of what's happened to you, what's happening to you, what the abuse you've just had to go through and endure, and the lies about you that are being told, with nothing being said about her. You're left scratching your head, asking, how on earth has she managed to hoodwink everybody? Narcissism is a disorder marked by an attachment of fantasy and grandiose of self-image. If someone frequently describes themselves and their life in exaggerated cinematic terms, they might be living in a dangerous delusion. This isn't just about being selfish, arrogant, or vain. These traits, which are relatively harmless. Narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, is severe, indicating an ongoing psychotic break from reality. For instance, a true narcissist might notice that you're in distress and continue to torment you. Anyway, just continue. This behavior, indicative of narcissistic psychopathy, is intertwined with sadism and Machiavellianism. I think that's what it is. I think it forms part of what is known as the dark tetrad. I think that's what it is, and that combination is particularly harmful because narcissists enjoy provoking and disturbing others to make themselves feel more superior. A common tactic that I often see and that was used on me is mocking and ridiculing you to provoke an overreaction, asking loaded nonsensical questions to unsettle you, being deliberately uncooperative to assert dominance, stonewalling you, stonewalling conversations, especially when they know it's important to you, using the boomerang communication to shift blame back onto you, making impossible demands and then blaming you for the failures. These are all common tactics. Recognizing those tactics can help you avoid falling into their traps, and awareness is crucial. When you see these behaviors, it's important to disengage and not play their games. In abusive narcissistic relationships, victims often find it hard to break away because the narcissist deliberately breaks down their boundaries. They make you feel their emotions and see the world through their eyes, distorting your perceptions. Recovery involves separating your emotions and perceptions from those of the narcissist, thus reclaiming your own sense of self. The process of recovery from narcissistic abuse is both challenging and essential. Generally, it involves steps to re-establishing boundaries. Start by setting clear personal boundaries to protect your own emotional and mental space. This might involve cutting off communication from the narcissist or minimizing interactions. You need to reaffirm your identity. That's one. Reconnect with your own thoughts, your own feelings and beliefs. Start trying to figure out what they are again. This can be achieved through self-reflection, journaling, and engaging in activities that you enjoy and that affirm your sense of self. Some people, in fact, I highly recommend it, getting therapeutic help, seeking professional support. People who specialize in narcissistic abuse can provide invaluable guidance and support. They can help me understand the dynamics of your past relationship and develop strategies for healing. Educate yourself. That's the most important thing, educating yourself. Learning about what narcissism is and the psychological impact it can have can empower you. When you understand the manipulative tactics of a narcissist, you can use it to better guard yourself and protect yourself in the future. Surround yourself with friends, family, and support groups who understand what you've been through and can provide encouragement and validation as you heal. Understanding the narcissist's tactics, knowing that they're adept at manipulation. Here's a few more tactics I think that they often use. Making you question your reality and your perceptions. They may deny things that you said or did, making you doubt your memory and sanity. This is gaslighting. Projection. This happens a lot. Accusing you of the very behaviors they are guilty of, such as lying or being selfish. Triangulation. Bringing a third party into the conflict to create jealousy or competition. Breaking free from a narcissist isn't just about physical separation. It's also about emotional and psychological detachment. This means no longer internalizing their criticisms or seeking their approval. I've put together a few strategies that can help. Prioritizing your physical and mental wellness is key. Exercise and eating healthy and making time for your relaxation and hobbies, so practicing self-care. This is going to develop your emotional resilience. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help you stay grounded and manage stress. Reframe your narrative. Shift from being a victim to a survivor. Recognize your strengths and the progress that you've made reclaiming your life. Long-term recovery from narcissistic abuse is a journey that requires time and patience. Here are longer-term strategies: continual learning, staying informed about narcissism and psychological aids in ongoing healing and preventing future toxic relationships. Personal growth, the use of an experience use the experience as a catalyst for personal development. Engage in activities that boost your confidence and expand your horizons. Learn to foster healthy relationships that are based on mutual respect and trust and genuine affection. Remember, reclaiming your life after narcissistic abuse is a gradual process, but with awareness and support and self-compassion, you can move toward a healthier, happier future. Embracing a new beginning as you continue your journey towards recovery from narcissistic abuse. It's important to remain hopeful and proactive. Here are a couple of additional steps and considerations that you might want to take note of. Firstly, you need to embrace your new beginning. Establish new routines, structure, and predictability. Create a daily routine that offers structure and predictability. This can help you regain your sense of control and stability in your life. Set goals. Small, achievable goals can provide direction and purpose. Celebrate each accomplishment, no matter how minor it might seem. Strengthening your emotional health. Emotional awareness. Practice recognizing and naming your emotions. These can help you understand your feelings and respond to them in healthy ways. Regulating your emotions, developing strategies for managing strong emotions, techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and grounding exercises can be useful. Your physical well-being, getting regular exercise is important. Physical activity can improve your mood and energy levels, help you find an exercise routine that you, even if it's just going for a walk around the block once a day. I go for the same walk every day. Doesn't matter what time it is, I just go for the same walk. Nutrition and sleep. Maintain balanced diet and prioritize sleep. Your body heals when it's sleeping. Something that is an area of development for me, sleeping. Adequate nutrition and rest is fundamental, especially to your physical and mental health. You need to foster positive relationships. Do some trust building exercises. Allow yourself to slowly rebuild trust in others. It's tough. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's normal to be cautious, but healthy relationships are possible and rewarding. Have open communication. Practice open and clear communication. Own your shit and do it with pride. Express your needs and boundaries in a respectful and assertive manner. Explore new interests. Pursue new passions. Engage in hobbies and activities that excite you. This is an opportunity to rediscover old interests or explore new ones. Learn and grow. Take up a new skill or opportunity or hobby. Whether it's learning a new language or taking cooking classes or even reading, or continuous learning can be fulfilling enough. Developing strong coping mechanisms will help you rebuild your life. Encountering challenges is inevitable. And here's how to develop robust coping mechanisms. Mindfulness and meditation. Living in the present moment, living in the now. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded and in the present moment, reducing anxiety about the past or the future. Meditative practices. Regular meditation can enhance emotional regulation and provide a sense of peace. Self-compassion and forgiveness is key. Be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion by being gentle and understanding with yourself, especially when dealing with setbacks. Forgiveness. Forgive yourself for any perceived shortcomings, and if ready, consider extending forgiveness to others. You don't have to stay angry forever. Not for their benefit and not for yours. But to release yourself from that lingering resentment will do you the world of good. Building a vision for the future, visualizing a positive future can motivate and guide your recovery process. Consider setting long-term goals, career aspirations. Define where you want to see yourself professionally. This might involve further education, a career change, advancement in your current field. Set personal milestones, travel aspirations, relationships, personal projects that you want to achieve. Crafting a vision board. A vision is sometimes really, really helpful. Put in images and words that represent your goals and dreams. Place it somewhere that you can see daily, visible, to remind yourself of what you're doing and what your purpose is and what your aspirations are. Cultivate gratitude. Practicing daily that reflect on things that you're grateful for. Gratitude can help shift you from your focus from what's missing to what you have, fostering a positive outlook. A gratitude journal is something I've maintained over the years, where you regularly list the things that you're thankful for. This habit can improve your mood and overall perspective. Seeking continuous support and ongoing therapy will always be good for you and supportive of your actions. Engage with support groups. We're here to help. Whether you're in a position, a person directly in person or online, get in touch. Where you can connect with others who've had similar experiences, do so. Look, recovering from narcissistic abuse is a multifaceted journey. Yeah, it's not easy. It requires effort, patience, and self-love. By establishing new routines, enhancing your emotional and physical well-being, fostering positive relationships, exploring new interests, and building a vision for the future, you can heal from this abuse and you can thrive. Remember, the path to recovery is unique for each person, but with resilience and support, a bright and fulfilling future is within your reach. I guarantee it. Keep striving for the hopeful and believe in your capacity to rebuild and flourish.